Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade chicken Alfredo pizza recipe and a homemade pepperoni pizza recipe. I'm going to use a pizza oven to show you how to make all these delicious pizzas. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Bighorn. They sent me their pellet pizza oven to use for today's recipes. If you want to make restaurant quality pizza at home, this will be your best friend. This is a high quality aluminum built pizza oven that cooks pizza very fast in about 90 seconds. My favorite thing about this pizza oven is it's very versatile. It can also be used to cook steak, pork chops, and all kinds of meats. I'm gonna leave a purchasing link together with a coupon code in the description box if you guys are interested in this pizza oven. So the first pizza recipe I'm going to show you is this chicken Alfredo pizza recipe. It is so good. It's one of the best ways to enjoy pizza. Start by seasoning some chicken breasts with your favorite chicken seasoning. Then sear them in very hot oil on medium heat for 5 minutes on each side. Slice up the chicken, then set it aside for later. Next, we're going to make the Alfredo sauce, so saute some garlic for a few seconds in the pan, then add some heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens, then take it off the heat. I'm using store-bought pizza dough to make the pizza, but if you want to learn how to make your own pizza dough at home, I'll leave a video link tutorial in the description box. Spread the creamy sauce we made all over the pizza dough, then top it with a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Next, top with the cooked chicken. Once the pizza is assembled, it's ready to go into the Bighorn pizza oven. The pizza oven uses wood pellets for firing, so I'm gonna have my husband fill it up with some wood pellets and then he's going to fire it up. The pizza oven has a chimney that controls all the fire and the smoke. The Bighorn pizza oven is fiery hot and ready to cook the pizza. One thing I love about this pizza oven is it heats up really fast and it cooks the pizza in about 90 seconds. The naked fire really fire roasts the pizza to give it a smoky, delicious flavor. It's recommended to turn the pizza around every 15 seconds to get the perfect fire roast. The cooking time is so fast, in exactly 90 seconds your pizza will be ready to be enjoyed. Look at all that delicious fire roasted pizza. The flavor is amazing. The pizza came out so creamy and flavorful. The naked fire of the Bighorn pizza oven makes the pizza very smoky. The chicken Alfredo is so good on the pizza. This is such a delicious way to enjoy pizza. I also made a simple cheese pepperoni pizza. This is very simple to make. Just put some marinara sauce on the pizza dough, then top with cheese and pepperoni. The Bighorn pizza oven is going to fire roast the pizza with all that naked fire, and in just 90 seconds the pizza will come out looking so delicious. Look at how nice and fire roasted the pizza look. It looks so good, and it's bursting with that restaurant quality pizza smokiness. I really enjoyed using the Bighorn pizza oven. If you want to make restaurant quality pizza at home, I highly recommend this pizza oven. A big thank you to Bighorn for partnering with me today, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!